So I wanted to walk through real quick and kind of show, sorry about that, the status of all the units. This is one of the 2-bedroom units. As you can see, everything looks good. Little coat closet here, right off the kitchen. Come around into the bedroom here. Got a nice window looking outside. Amazing bathrooms. I don't know if anybody's seen the bathrooms yet, but oh, they're beautiful. So I've got really nice glass shower doors. Nice tile all the way up to the ceiling. Very nice. Tell you what, for affordable housing, these units are amazing. So this is one of the bedrooms of the 2-bedroom. Go back here, down a little hallway. Again, back into the kitchen, living room area. And then you've got the other bedroom here. So in the next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to go up to the 4th floor to the vaulted. Those units are so amazing. So hang tight. I'm going to pause you real quick and then I'm going to jump up to the 4th floor. Real quick though, I did want to show you they're getting all the hallways painted. Painters are hammering it down. You can hear it. Doesn't that look beautiful? Holy cow. So everything's getting painted up. Just about to wrap it up, but hang tight. I'm getting ready to jump up to the 4th floor and show you some amazing units. So here's one of the vaulted 4th floor. I don't know if I showed you guys this before. Of course, they're getting appliances put in. This has got that original 1918 steel truss that runs through the roof line. This isn't a unit. This isn't an efficiency unit. Of course, has all this heavy amenities and all that, but has that added feature. And then I got one more that's even prettier than this. Hang tight. Here's something else I want to show you. So here's a 2-story that's on the 4th floor. Of course, you know, tons of lighting in one of the bedrooms. You've got the closet here for their clothes. So as you can see, nice closet back here, good sized closet. But come back out. Here's one of the, on all the units on the 4th floor, we added washer and dryer hookups. So they've got the washer and dryer hookups in here, its own little space, which is another feature. Again, huge vaulted ceilings. Isn't that beautiful? Same, you know, all the amenities. Flooring's in, lots of lighting. And then I got something else I want to show you. Hang tight. So I want to show you this real quick. This is another one of the 4th floor. Look at all that brick exposure, vaulted ceiling. So you get the best of all worlds here with this unit. Of course, you know, it'll be all cleaned up. They're putting in the flooring and the appliances. But big old vaulted ceiling, big old deal on the brickwork. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. So, all right. About to wrap this place up. We're gonna have this thing on the market. Everything's looking great. Guys are coming along nicely. Very proud. Thanks.